Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Priya from the Bookify and yeah, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோ எதை பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம்னா, I'm going to be reviewing about the book, The American Roommate Experiment. ரீசெண்டாக இந்த புக்கை படிச்சு முடிச்சேன். ஸோ படிச்சுனே தோணுச்சு I want to share this with you guys. So yeah, here I am. If you're a reader, if you're an emerging reader, if you're a bookaholic and what else, if you're just here for a story, I hope this video entertains as much as I hope. And yeah, let's go with the video. இப்போ நம்ம ரிவ்யூக்குள்ள போலாம். லைக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் இந்த புக் பார்க்குறச்ச ஐ கெட் டு நோ அபவுட் தட் இட் இஸ் an extended version of the Spanish love deception, guys. I've already read that book and it's like one of my favorites till now. So when I get to know that it has an extended version, I feel like yeah, go get that book, read it right now. That kind of vibe, guys. So if you are asking me like, can I read that book as a standalone? Of course, guys, you can read that as a standalone because the story plot is different from that other book and the characters are different. And so I guess you can read this as a standalone. Yes, now let's get to know about the male lead. The male lead is Lucas Martin, guys. Like the name itself sounds fancy to me and it's kind of Spanish name. So yeah. And he has brown eyes, brown hair, and he is tall, but he's also a surfer, guys. That the one thing I find interesting about him. Like I have read some books. I'm not like I have read a lot of books, I say, but not coming to a character who is a surfer. That feels kind of new to me. So it's all about the male lead and about the female lead. She is Rosalind Graham. Her background is like she left her well paid job at a tech company to pursue her dream as a romance writer, guys. Like this is also different for me. So நான் இது வரைக்கும் படிச்ச bookல there be like characters working at a tech or company or they are an architect. In this story, it is so much different. You have the hero who is a surfer who surfed a lot in all the beaches around the world, and you got a female lead like she is pursuing her dream, which is a romance writer, guys. As a reader, நம்மளோட விஷயம் என்னன்னா we have to experience a kind of book romance, like fictional romance, but it's not possible, we know that. But imagine like you're reading a romance book in which the female lead itself is a romance writer, guys. What would you expect other than this? That one point felt like you should complete this book no matter what. Like, I have to know what kind of things happening in her life. She is pursuing a romance writer job. But what's the thing is, she's not like expecting the kind of book romance in her real life. But she is getting that kind of book romance vibes from Lucas Martin. Both of them, their stay in New York is temporary in her best friend's apartment. So her own apartment collapsed and she got into her best friend apartment. Okay, the best friend's cousin is Lucas Martin. The best friend is Catalina Martin, who is the female lead of the book, Spanish Love Deception, and her husband is like Aaron Blackford. So if you read that book, you will know about a deep continuation, understandability about the characters. Yeah. Rosalind's own apartment got collapsed and she has nowhere else to go. And Lucas Martin's life is desperate because during surfing in the beach, he got into an accident and it terribly affected his leg. He has lost his goal of his life. He is a miserable man, I guess. He had to know that Rosie is pursuing her dream job as a romance writer, but she's stuck without any insights. He came in the friend to offer help to her to boost her insights and to feel inspired about love and romance. So yeah, he offered her to take on experimental dates, guys. இவ்ளோ book read பண்ணிருக்கேன். I have read fake dating, like romance things and all, but experimental dates is kind of a new term for me. So yeah, they got feelings for each other, but they are not willing to open up about that because of the guess what circumstances, guys. Like say Lucas Martin is a person who got terrible hit on and he lost his goal of his life. And like he thinks that Rosie is the girl who deserves so much better in this world. As Martin's stay in New York ended, like it came to an end, and on the day he was at the airport to return to Spain, his homeland, Rosie ran to him like from her home to the airport and confessed her. Guess what Lucas did? He just stood there unable to process everything, afraid of being what will happen next. He just left her like that. Affected Rosie very much, guys. At this point, you would think like how the story will end. This is a sad ending or is it a happy ending? But at the end of the story, on New Year's Eve, guess what? Lucas Marte came to New York, guys, to see her, to confess her love because during the time when he misses her a lot, he realized that it is not that we have to worry about the things we have lost. We have to be happy with what you have and we have to progress in our life with what we have. Instead of being miserable or worrying about the things we lost, we have to move on in our life and find a new thing or a new goal in our life. So I guess he did that and he decided to join culinary school because he's a great cook. And yeah, they both got united. And that's all about the story, guys. And yeah, guys, that's all about this video. So I will give this a 4.5-star rating. And if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And do comment if you have any other books in your mind that you want me to read and give review about. So yeah, guys, bye.